Good evening and welcome back to Catholic Contessa. Today we are making chicken cutlet. Now there's no written recipe to follow. This is just something that's been traditionally handed down to me. It's a simple recipe and I'm going to take you through it. First you need flour, about 5 eggs, Italian breadcrumbs. You can make your own breadcrumbs and season them yourself, but I chose to use the store-bought this time. And of course you need your chicken. There we go. So, I'm probably going to get yelled at because I didn't have this out ready. But I'm going to whisk the eggs. Open up my chicken package. Drench the egg in flour. Drench the chicken in flour. Get rid of some pieces that aren't good. An egg. You need the flour for the egg to stick. And then the breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to get a plate to put these on. And this is what your chicken cutlet should look like before you fry it. And then you're going to repeat that until you're done dredging them. Now, once the chicken is dredged, oh shoot, I just turned the wrong thing on. Hold on. There we go. Good thing I caught that. Once the chicken is drenched, it should look like this. And you want to heat some vegetable oil or canola oil up in a pan. You do not want to use olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, because it will burn too quickly and it will break up in the pan. So this is what I used. Some canola oil. And I'm waiting for it to heat up. Also, you want to take a clean plate and layer it with some paper towel. This you're going to do, this is what you're going to put the chicken on after it's fried. Now you're going to drop the chicken into the oil. I should have used my bigger pan, but that's okay. This will get done slowly. And when it bubbles like that, that means it's fried. And this is what the chicken cutlet should look like once it's done frying.